pizza bread. So my mom made this one like years ago and never get to make it again. These are the ingredients. Cheese, oregano, ham, ketchup, salt and curd, and of course bread. We're going to put it in the oven, but first things first is to put the ketchup . Now we already have the ketchup and the bread. Now we're going to put the ham. Okay, after putting the ham in, you sprinkle some oregano. I'm just going to use my hands. And next, we put some cheese. And now we're finished with the garnishing. We're going to be doing it like a couple more times and then we're going to bake it. So I've already finished garnishing all of the bread, and now we're going to bake it for like 5 to 10 minutes and then we're ready to eat. Yes, let's go. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications too to be notified every time we post a video. Thank you and goodbye.